that I'm here to celebrate with you. And I wanted to offer you and share with you two songs. Yung isa request mo. So, can I just sing for her, this evening? Okay, ito, special sa akin to kasi kahit ako yung kumakanta, ako yung gumawa ng music and melody for this song. But originally, it was written in English. Okay, it was written for the late Julie Vega. Okay, and na-inspire ako kasi nung nakita ko yung tabloid, nakita ko na buhay pa si Julie Vega noon, pero sa katabi ng hospital bed niya, nandun na si Fernando Poe Jr., the late Fernando Poe Jr. was beside her like this. So nagtaka ako, sabi ko, how could a young artist like Julie Vega touch the heart of a seasoned actor like Fernando Poe Jr.? And then, nung namatay siya, ginawa ko ang kanta na to. Pero binigay ko sa kanyang nanay at tatay at sabi ko sa kanila na they don't have to worry because I will never commercialize this Tagalog song. I mean, this English kasi originally for Julie Vega. But then, Universal Records came up to me, tinanong nila ako na kung meron akong talent na ako mismo nagsulat. Sabi ko, medyo mahirap. Hanggang ngayon, hirap pa rin ako magsulat sa Tagalog. Then Angeli came up with the idea na, what if you give me that song of Julie Vega? And then, let's make it Tagalog. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi pwede kasi mahirap yun. It's about death. Tungkol sa kamatayan. Kung pumunta ako sa isang celebration tulad nito, 60th birthday, tapos kakantahin ko yun yung Tagalog na tungkol sa kamatayan. So sabi niya, hindi, itong gagawin ko. Gagawa na lang ako ng bagong lyrics altogether. So I gave her the song. Okay? And this is the song. I just wanted to share with you the story. But this is a personal favorite of mine, and this is our gift to you. Okay? Okay, you can play the music. This is the song. Oras nating nakaraan, bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho nga ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana magulit muli. Sana bigyan ng pansin ang himig mo. Kahapong lukas ngayon, kaya mong iwanan ka, di na sana asa pa. Kung kaya mong iwas na, di na sana maglapit pa. Kung kaya mo sana, kahapon, sandal mo